Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports out here right now with our 2017 F-150. And for a lot of you guys, last time you saw this truck, it looked very, very different from what you're seeing right now. So we're gonna give you a rundown on basically how we set up this lifted street truck and some of the mods that we did. And we're also gonna be cranking out a few other videos to go into more detail on it, but make sure you head down below, hit subscribe, and make sure you keep up with everything we're gonna be cranking out. Also, make sure you guys click that little notification bell so you don't miss out every time we post a new video. So the last time you guys saw this 2017 F-150, it was basically fully built as an off-road utility truck. We were sitting on 18-inch methods with some Falken mud terrain tires. We did a roof rack on it, Eibach leveling kit, totally different setup than what you're seeing right now. And we really loved the way the truck was put together like that. We ran it around in Utah. We got to spend some time basically doing highway miles, road tripping, out in the dirt. We hit a lot of different terrain. It was a really good setup. But one of the things we really liked about this truck is it's the 3.5 EcoBoost with the 10-speed transmission. And that was a combo we hadn't had yet on previous EcoBoost trucks. And this gave us a chance to get a feel for it. And because we liked it so much, we decided to carry this over to another build where we could really utilize that power and basically that setup. Now what you're seeing here obviously changed a lot and there's a lot to take in, and we're gonna have some different videos coming out in the future here to kind of explain and break down more of what's on this truck. But to give you guys a general idea, some of the big things that happened were a 6-inch super lift kit to get it this tall, wide stance, as well as these fuel forged wheels that we had custom paint matched to the truck. And then we added some Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires on those wheels, just so we get a little bit different fitment and a different wheel tire combo than what was previously on there. A couple mods did still carry over from the previous version of this build. So like what you're seeing on the front, we've got the Caliber 9 grill with that Baja Designs light bar, which is pretty excellent, as well as a little Putco grill on the lower half, some fog lights, and a tonneau cover in the back. So all those things were really good and we wanted to keep those because we like the way they operate on this truck, and they still fit the design pretty well. Obviously, with the way the truck sits right now, the purpose of the build changed and the purpose of the way we use the truck changed. So instead of being an off-road focused sort of utility build that's a little more aggressive and focused on a kind of a camping outdoors lifestyle, we went for something that's more of a lifted street truck and is focused basically on kind of a show scene and drawing a bit more attention to it. It's a little flashy in kind of a good way, and we tried to make it so we didn't compromise all of the off-road capability with that. So we're looking for that perfect balance to make a nice looking truck that has presence, but still is useful. With what we've done to this truck, we're going to be spending some time doing videos on a suspension review, tire reviews, some other overviews on the entire build itself. So you guys can keep an eye out for those as we crank them out in the future, and you'll get more details basically on how this truck went together. But with that, it is a little bit of uncharted territory compared to other builds we've done. So make sure you guys head down below and leave a comment. Let us know what you would do to build your lifted street truck or what mods you think would be better fit for it. And we'll see you guys next time.